So I got an eBay special, a $50 intake system for this 2002 Pontiac Grand Prix GT 3.8. Come on. Not a bad little intake, but I'm actually getting ready to put this on. Some people will remove this, but it sucks in air intake, and this is pretty much where the ECU is. But I'm going to go ahead and put this on and the clamp, and I'll be back once I'm done putting this on. So I'll be back. Super tight fit, holy hell. Now it's time to put this in. I already got the air intake temp sensor in here, so now I just gotta figure out this. Actually, let me go ahead and put the filter on. Over there. Okay, so I got this on. So now let's move it over. I'll go just try to keep that. I may have to remove that after all. I'll be back. Alright, so good position right here. I'm going to use this to suck in a bit of cooler air, or I may just reposition this. But I'm going to go ahead and get all this bolted in, and I'll show you guys the after product. I won't be able to run it because I got to replace these and I got to replace valve cover gaskets. But well, whatever video I make, I'm gonna get this running. So I'll be back. Okay, I got good position. I got the air filter against the box right here. We're just gonna suck in some cool air. Now all I have to do is plug in the IAT, and bingo. A completed air intake on this 2002 Pontiac Grand Prix GT with Buick 3800 V6. Now, one of the videos I'll be doing after I get this fixed up a bit is I'm going to start it, rev it a little bit, and see what it sounds like on an otherwise stock 3800 naturally aspirated. But again, this is a $50 eBay air intake for mainly just a Buick 3800. But yeah, so anyway, sorry. But yeah, so that's it for this air intake install and this Pontiac Grand Prix. Thank you guys for watching.